Don't kill me. What is he? Come on. Where is he going? Where is he going with the cutlass?
Baby, leave it.
Why will I leave it?
Baby, I can take care of myself.
I can take care of you better.
Baby, you were doing something.
I don't mind.
I can go alone.
I can go alone.
Baby, I can take care of myself.
Hey! Hey!
You want to fetch water? Come, let me fetch you.
If you're a man, drop it! Oh, yeah! Papa! If you're a man, don't take off your face! Come out here!
Why are you running? Why are you running? If you say you're a man, come out here. You see this your son? My son. You see this your son? I will kill him. I will kill him. Okay. Tell him to stay away from my Ifunanya. Ifunanya is the woman I want to marry. The next time I come here, I'll bring his dead body for you. I'll bring his dead body for you. Yes. Tell him to stay away from my Ifunanya. Okay. I'm warning you for the last time. If you know you're a man, come out here. I'll destroy him. I'll bulldoze him.
What you will bulldoze him? You will bulldoze him. You will bulldoze him.
You're using this firewood to scare me.
Firewood, I mean?
This firewood that I use. Hey!
This firewood. Oh, firewood. Hey! Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me.
If I look for my head.
Open up. Where is that fool? Where is he? Where is he? Where is that fool? You should have waited for me. Where is that fool? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
So, there's bullets in that gun. How can there be bullets? This boy about which I go more. Okay, since it's the way he wants it, we'll see. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Return leg.
Ifunanya, do you want these two to kill themselves because of you? Now make your choice now and let the other go. I like Romefa. Eh?
Mama, it's not that easy. Odirokwa not that easy, Mama. It's not as easy as you think.
Hey, I end this constant war between the two of them. I don't like it. If any of them should kill the other one, they will come after us. If not, I don't like this war. I like Romeo. Make your choice and let the other one go. Do I make myself clear? In an even neku, people will point at me as if I'm cynic, making jest of me, all because of you. Makagenese, I like Okwamiao. I don't like it.
No, Papa, no. I won't do this one, no.
Calm down, my son, calm down.
No.
My son, calm down. Why not listen to me as your father?
I've never disrespected you, I've never disobeyed you, but this one, no. There's a reason I'm saying no, and I'll keep saying no. I love this girl. I don't know how else you want me to explain to you. This is the only girl that I've ever loved, a girl I desire most, and I should leave it for who? Ako. That short thing is not even possible. I will kill him.
My son, do you enjoy trouble between you two?
I don't care. Call it whatever you like, but Father, remember you told me there will always be trouble. There will be chaos, there will be ups and downs. What makes you a man is the ability to conquer it. I will conquer this one. What is it?
Yes, but...
But there is no but. There is no but. I don't know what you want me to do. I will not leave that girl for Ako. I will not leave her for any man in this world. I love that girl. She's the only one I've ever loved. You know. It's not today I start telling you about that girl. I've been telling you that girl from day one. You know how long I met her? Ako, I've seen her, we're happy. He wants to destroy it. He wants to ruin it. It won't even happen. Ako. Small Ako. I know why he's doing this. Because of what I did to him during our secondary school days. But you see, this time, it will be worst.
My son.
There is no...
My son.
Papa, no. No. Not Ako now. Small Ako. Ako. Let's see.
Because of a woman.
Ako, gwa me eziokwu. Tell me the truth. What exactly did he do to you during your secondary school days?
A lot, Uncle. A lot. That boy has been envious of me. He doesn't like me. But there's no problem, oh. I know why I'm telling you. I will kill that boy. Tell him to leave my woman alone. Yarapo my woman. I will kill him. Ako,
listen, Ako. Nna m sị m na ome ngwa ngwa na-emete ihe ụta. Well, nwayọ. Just calm down. Calm down.
Yeah, and the drag woman.
Calm down. Listen to me. You see the reason I've been advising you to let that girl go. Let her live your life. Leave her alone. Oh yes. There are so many beautiful girls in the town. You can always get one. More beautiful than her. It is beauty that has entered her eyes. Please. You want the woman again?
Do like this.
Again. What's that?
No, this side.
Side.
This side.
Is it the food I ate or what? Yeah?
No, do like this. Throw it.
Is it that? Is it that?
It's to clean out that nonsense you just said now, Uncle. If not be say you be my uncle, I for change am for you.
Uncle.
Huh? Nah, Uncle now. What's up now? How would you be advising me to leave the woman I want to marry? For...
But we have changed it already.
Please.
Aku, playing on my intelligence, commanding me in that freakishly to clean my mouth. And I was busy cleaning my mouth, only to hear him say he wants me to clean what I've just said. Ha! As a guitar, youth of these days. Hey! That mama kwa mmiri maka ozuzo. Mama kwa mmiri maka ozuzo.
Thank you so much for coming into my life. You complete my world. I cannot wait to have beautiful kids with you.
How come you said exactly what I have in my mind?
Because we're two hearts that beat together.
Funaya,
Obim.
I love you so much. I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I promise you one thing. I'll take care of you. I'll love you and I'll protect you. No one will come between us. No one. Ifunanya mo.
Ako. Okay. What is the problem? You have not gone to bed at this time of the night. You are still awake. What is the problem? What is the problem?
I just can't sleep. A lot has been on my mind.
A lot on your mind? Is it concerning that same girl or Kabaka's son?
The both of them. The both of them. Me, I have decided to stop all this nonsense because I think it's my fault. I have to do what I have to do. All this nonsense will stop. So now, as it stands, I have the best remedy.
Okay. Which is?
Very simple. Shay, you want me to stop all these troubles in this village?
Yes.
Every time fighting. Very good. I want you, very early in the morning, today, okay, 4 o'clock in the morning, I'll come and wake you up. We'll go to all these elders, Ikebundo and Oka, Ichiogu, wake them up. I want to go and pay Ifunaya's bride price as early as 4 o'clock in the morning. It's not funny now, uncle. That's the best remedy. Before that big head wakes up, he will realize that Ifunaya is not my wife. And he will have no choice than to carry that his big head and go back to their house. That's the only thing.
Hey, Aku. So you think that is how marriage works? You just get up in the morning, knock on elders' door, and then go to pay the bride price.
I'm not here to preach all those sermons, all those olden days sermons.
Just get the elders.
This is a new age. Uncle, stop now. What you do for me is gather elders for me.
Okay.
Simple. That's the best thing you do for me. If I'm really your nephew, please.
Okay. I think with this you can.
You said you want peace, Abi?
Yes.
Peace. You don't want trouble for me to be going around in the village. Look, so do this one for me. Okay. Trouble will stop.
I will do it for you.
4 o'clock.
You can now sleep. I can even make it 3:30. 3:30. I'm already up. We now go.
No, it's not. It's not a witch wedding. It's human being wedding.
Hey, my daughter. How's it? So you have to tell us whether to accept this or not.
Yes. What is going on here? What's going on? Hey! What did I tell you? Did I tell you to avoid her? What are you doing? What are you doing? Listen. You will never marry her. You will never marry her. Are you mad? So you don't have sense. You're calling me. You're not scared of me. Can you imagine this bastard? Are you mad? Me, get out of here. No, you get out. Carry this firewood and get out of here. Are you mad? I can't get out of here. Who will get out now? Huh? Okay, it's only one bullet that is inside. Forget all this thing. You carry bang and put inside this gun and you form me Jason. Come on. Wait, let me bring my uncle back. Baby, just carry your bomb and stay here. Let me bring my uncle back. You know yourself. You are still... Uncle, it's only one bullet that is inside. Come back. Please. Uncle. You need to do this. What is bomb? Uncle, leave me alone now.
Uncle, hold on. Can you please just calm down?
Calm down for what now? Leave me alone.
Don't go anywhere, Uncle. I'm the one telling you. This is devil calling you.
I'm the devil. You're looking at the devil. Look at my 2 horns. I'm the devil myself. Uncle, I am going. So, he feels he's got guns, right? Mba now, can I say here with Uncle? Uncle now.
Uncle, please. We will find another means to solve this. Uncle. There were so many ways they say go.
Uncle, shall also. I will lift you up.
Please. I don't please.
Okay, Chuku. What has come over you? Want to kill someone with my gun? And you think you got scot-free? I was running faster than his shadows. I will kill Ako. What? Yes, that little boy, I will kill him. You think he will come and take what rightfully belongs to me? That's not possible. I will kill him. You will kill him. You will kill him. You are seeing it before my very eyes. Oh, I know what to do. I will take my gun out of this house and let me see. We cannot fight man to man with him. But you don't understand. Gun or no gun, I will kill Ako. That short boy. I'll kill him. Okay, Chuku. Okay, Chuku. Oh. Oh, you can't go more. Because of you. Oh.
If you like, cry from now till next year. Without making a decision, it will solve nothing. You know what to do, and you must do it now. Don't allow those two to continue to constitute nuisance. All because of you. She. And they ask for your opinion, no? See, you know what to do, and you must do it now. Else, me, Muwa, Bonai, will make decision for you. In Ania, in a bar.
Ifunanya, Afungenanya. How else am I supposed to explain this to you? I love you. I can do anything for you, which you know. Okenwa has nothing to offer. But what can that fool offer? Remember when you almost missed out taking your WAEC exams? Shebi is me that still did everything for you. I still made sure you took the exams just like other people. If he loves you like he claims, why didn't he help you when you needed him most? These are the things you look at and consider now. I love you. How can I be dragging you with that fool? How? That girl that has nothing to offer. How now?
Ifnaya, what are you saying? Huh? What are you saying? Is it because of this small misunderstanding, which is normal in every relationship, and that's why you ran to that fool? Ako. That's why you ran to him? To give him attention? Or because of that stupid gift he gave to you?
Okay, one. I didn't know how it happened, though. I didn't know how it happened. But I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
See, you have nothing to be sorry about. I love you now. I'm here for you anytime, any day. Anytime, any day, I'm here for you. That sorry is you meant to tell him sorry, not me.
It's not that simple. It's not that simple. I owe him a lot.
You owe him a lot? Ifnaya, all of a sudden you owe him a lot. I see why you cannot let go. All right, then I'll go.
No.
That's what you want.
No, please stay. Please stay. Don't go. Don't go. You are the one I love. You're the one I want to be with. I love you. All I just need is little time. Just little time.
That time is what I don't have. I don't even have clock in my own house. I don't have wristwatch. How can I not have time? The only thing is for you to just tell this boy to leave you alone. And you have rest of mind. It's as simple as tell him to leave you alone.
I don't even know what to think anymore. I have never been this confused all my life.
There is no need to be confused about anything. You chose me first. Choose me still. Send that bastard away. I'll take care of you. I promise. Send him away. I love you.
Just open up and tell Okenwa, leave my life alone. I'm here for. Am I not enough for you? No, forget about my big polo. Am I not enough for you? At least what you need in life is someone that will be there for you when you. Which I've proved that to you. What else do I need to prove to you? What has Okenwa done for you? I love you. Just tell him you don't want, and you have rest of mind. cannot tell you what will not be useful to you. I've been singing this for long. Huh? It's okay. It's okay. Oh, you just tell him you don't want. It's simple. Why?
It's time we call these boys and put a stop to this nuisance. If we continue to keep quiet, they might kill each other or invite other fellow youths, and this might eventually lead to war in this village. You know the youths of these days.
In fact, we must report them to the village youths so that they can do to them what they have done to others. Can you imagine what happened at the girl's house the other day?
Okay, that is why I don't think we should still continue to keep quiet. You know what? I will suggest we first invite them and talk to them. And if they continue to be stubborn, then we will have no other choice than hand them over to the youths who will take care of them.
You are right. But let us inform other elders. Then inform their fathers so we know the next step to take.
That is good. That is exactly what we must do.
Thank God I met you here. You think it's about carrying down your father's firewood you call God? You used to pull banger, deceiving people like that is a real gun. Akuya? Akuya?
Listen.
One fota. On be naga. A fota, huh? It's finished.
Onyocha, I don't have your time. But just don't do what I asked you to do and you will hear from me. I'm working a bit. I'm working a bit. I'm working a bit. Huh? I'm working.
This your long legs.
I'm working.
This your long legs.
I'm working. Huh?
So, you went fighting after all my warnings to you? Eh?
What would you have me do? What am I supposed to do? He blocked my way, pushed me on my chest. What do you want me to do? I should have a handshake with him?
You turn around and walk away. That is what a gentleman does. In any case, he who wants to die with the devil should go with a long spoon.
Papa, there is no dining, there is no long spoon in this. Whoever comes close to Ifunaya automatically makes me the devil. If I see you, you have it hot with me. Everybody should just allow Ifunaya, leave Ifunaya for me. It's as simple as that. If I see Ako, if I ever see Ako close to that, this time around, I'm going to kill him.
Kill him? Okay. In any case, I'm just coming from the Elders Council's meeting. There's someone two of you to appear before them. 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. And on no account should you miss it. I've just delivered my message to you.
As na one no onye na-agba ajọ egwu ọkụ iku onye a na-akọ ya. If you're not ashamed of yourself, I am ashamed of you. Can you imagine? You fighting about a girl. You and your fellow man fighting over a girl, ordinary girl.
Uncle bam 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 bam. You can say anything you want to say, but you see that girl, don't call her ordinary. How can you call her ordinary now? If run you're calling that girl ordinary. Please, oh. But as for that boy, as for that stupid boy, he should thank his stars that those elders came for his rescue. Even if it's convoy, he should just thank his stars. If not, the one I did to him is...
Push a pull on about. Nonsense.
Chuku just Zoya. He should just thank his stars.
I said, shut up. Oh, I am talking, you are talking. And me kuineku.
Man, you come to scatter my... Okay, I'll see him again.
Anyway.
He's not in this village.
The thing is, listen to me. Listen to me. The elders in council have summoned both of you by 10 tomorrow. And you must be there. Both of you must.
We'll go now. We'll go. What's there? It's not elders. I told them now when they came. I told them. Uncle, leave just.
There is something after that. If you fail to go, both of you, be prepared to face the wrath of the elders.
I just said you will see me there, live and direct. I'll tell them my mind. I'll tell them what happened. Is it not? They will ask me. I'll tell them. Why is he always going for what all the time? Since I know that boy, anything I have, he will be fighting to have it. Why now? Why?
You're no longer afraid of the elders.
Tomorrow now. What you could just today.
Ako, you both should stop this fight. It is becoming very unbearable for my mother and I. She can't even go to the market without people pointing fingers at her. What's going on? I don't like all of this.
We cannot stop. It's very simple. Let him stay away from you. That's the only way peace will reign. Let him just do what? Stay away. If you're coming this way, let him take this way. If you're coming this way, let him take this way. That's all. If not, we'll be fighting. In fact, if I see him now, I will kill him. I will kill him and kill his spirits.
It's not that easy. It's not that easy for him.
Which one is not that easy for him? Come, where are you even standing? I don't understand. Eh? Who are you with me or are you with him? How can you be going for Coke and Fanta? Do you want to drink the both of them together? No, it's not no. It's not no, because if you tell him that you don't want, he will leave you alone. You're the one making him feel like he can talk to you anytime he wants.
It's you or no one else.
If it's me, you tell him now. Tell him you don't want him. I've been telling you this all the time. Tell him you don't want him.
I just want you to understand that it's not.
Did I ask him to stay away from you? Did I ask him to stay away from you? Did I tell you to stay away? Did I tell you to stay away? Stay away! What do you mean, okay, why? Leave this idiot! Leave this idiot!
You killed him!
I've killed him! Hey. Stand up and let me kill you again!
Hey.
Good morning. Papa, I have come to discuss something very important with you. I am getting married. To my one and only Funaya. I've been watching. This Funaya thing has been causing trouble in this village, so I have decided to marry her so that there will be no trouble. Aku and all other men will take their eyes off her. Papa, I am going to marry her and take her to the city. Case closed. So I'm informing you so that you start getting ready. Any moment from now, we'll go and see her people. don't understand. I'm telling you something you're doing. Alright, no problem. Just so you know that I'm getting married to Ifunaya. In case I don't, you hear it. Moreover, I'll bring her to my father's house. Yes, I'll bring her here. I'll go with my kinsmen. I'll marry her. I'll bring her to my father's house. There's nothing you do about it. This is my father's house. Hey.
My people, see, I'm only standing in for my late brother, whose daughter you have come for. I want to say this. The issue of her marriage has lingered for too long. But I thank God it has come to an end. Are you telling us now to go ahead with this discussion that nothing shall interrupt what we are doing?
Uncle, go ahead.
We should go ahead.
Everything has been settled.
He said we should go ahead. Okay. Kabaka. You're welcome. Nah.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hey!
Go ahead where? Go ahead where? Go ahead where? Why is he running? He has seen the difference between Ewe and Ewe. I forgot the difference between Ewe and Ewe. You thought it's that nonsense firewood you're holding. And you see you. I don't know where you stand. I don't know where you stand. 1 minute you're for me, the next minute you're for him. What is your problem? No, what is your problem?
God,
why can't you make choice?
God,
what is the problem?
Oh, why me? God, why me?
God, why you?
Why me?
God, see, you become my very big enemy. I'm telling you the truth.
Uncle, what is this?
I'm telling you the truth.
Uncle, what is this? What is the meaning of this now?
Nonsense. I'll be no one. If I buy and see, can't you be no one? Can what I hear now? What you give me? I'm not
Ifunaya, this thing you are doing will not solve our problem. Upon a married fee game, in my fee game, but also bother, I have come with a lasting solution. And I have spoken with my sister in Abuja. And she has said that you will come. So, first thing tomorrow morning, Ijeba Abuja. Come look at those two boys who will come and fight over you. How they will come and fight over you? Ijeba Abuja. And make sure that when you get to Abuja, in Egemonti, nobody should know your whereabouts. You can't see where, because if they do, I will not forgive him. Man like him. In anything.
That's what she said.
With the love that exists between you and your mother, nobody will accept that your mother will agree for you to leave this community and travel to Abuja. She didn't even suggest Onitsha. Monday, Abuja. And let me tell you something. Anything that pushed your mother into taking that decision is very big. She loves you and you know that. Or, do you want to kill your mother? I know the answer is no. Now let me tell you, if you want your mother to live for you and me, you better do exactly what she said. Yes, you have to leave. Leave the sight of these two men.
Akene, you are the worst person to have this conversation with.
Fine. When are you leaving?
Tomorrow morning, according to her.
I will suggest you use first bus. In fact, I will be here very early, so I will take you to the park.
Don't worry, thank you. I know my way to the park. Oh?
I know you know your way to the park, but let me give you this information. Don't follow Uncle Park. Everybody will see you. They have friends, they have so they will go and call them. See, you have to follow the neighboring community's park. What am I even saying? I will be here Koto to take you to the park. You know my cousin again.
Naya,
Ifo. Ifo. Ifnaya. My love. Ifnaya. 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 Ifo. Ifo. What's going on now? Eh? Today is the second time. Let it not be what I'm thinking of. Even her phone is switched off. Ha. Okay, I don't want to return much.
What is the need of going somewhere? When you will sell it and go and get it. I am not stupid. You will sell it and get the money and get to your concubine. I am not stupid. I am not stupid. Come back here, kind of. You know, woman rapper like you.
Did you call me one rapper? You
Woman rapper. I hear one. Look at, there's no food in this house. Every time you know.
I will deal with you.
Oh, you get. Leave me. Because of that woman.
I'll do with you. I told you I'll do. Please put the gun down. Put it down. Please, I'm begging. Please, drop the gun. Please. Why are you crying?
I just killed my husband now. Let him go.
Sorry. How did it happen?
She came to the house because no one was beating me. She used his hunting gun and shot him dead.
Oh! Hey, good. Ndo.
No.
Be going.
No.
Hey! Ewo! Ebe a ka m chefuru akwa ụmụ m o. Ewere akwa. Kwere na akwachi dị mma o. Hey! Nene nke Hisense a ngotere n'Ọchanja. I bought this one. Hey! I said sorry. Sorry, Hey! Look at that thief. Ha! Look at the gown. Look at my fine gown.
Hello? Yes, I'll come. Yeah, I'll be there by 6. Where's my food? Who came here and took the food I cooked here? Who came here? The food I kept here.
Igwe! 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 What's the problem? Ngala, the mad woman, yes, just shocked. You know why they hunted to death. Huh? As I'm speaking now, is lying dead in his house.
Hey! Hello! Abomination!
What really happened? How? Hey!
Ngala Emalo.
This is unimaginable, truly.
Ngala Emalo.
Hey! Abakese,
Your Highness.
have you heard him?
Yes, Your Highness.
Go now and fetch Ngala. No matter wherever she is, go and fetch her and bring her here now.
Yes, Your Highness.
Go!
My daughter, don't really know why this kind of thing should happen. Why didn't Ngala kill your husband?
Well, I was having problem with him this morning. He was seeing another woman. So I told him after selling the meat, he should not go to see the other woman. So he started beating me. Before you know it, Ngala walked in and shot him with his gun.
Hey! It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. What happened was just an accident. And as it is now, there is nothing anyone can do to remedy the situation. Stop crying. We all know that Ngala is a mad woman. As we speak here now, I am telling you, she doesn't even know what she did. You know that. So just take heart. It has happened and there is no remedy. My cabinet members and I are going to put our heads together to know as much as we can assist you in the burial, okay? Please, just take a grip on yourself. Please. It's unfortunate.
Thank you, Igwe.
Thank you very much.
The God bless your good heart. Thank you.
As well, as well. We will always remember you, okay? It's okay. It's okay.
Ndo? What a world. The mad woman was even fighting for her fellow woman.
But not to the extent of killing him. Not that extent. Ndo? When did he? Omego?
Had it been she was in her right senses. Stop crying, Biko. Oh? Wipe away your tears.
Why is everyone unhappy with me? What did I even do? I'm not mean for John. They said I killed her. She was beating her husband. I killed her because she was beating her husband. Is it even wrong to kill? To kill is a good thing. Did I kill her? Yes? No? All this motorcycle, don't they kill people? Eh? All these bicycle people, they kill people. Moto, kill people. We are all killers. We didn't do anything wrong. So why is my own different now? To kill is not a bad thing. You want you to go to the market to see the person buying something. You did not kill the person. We are all killers. Hyacinth, you know I never beat you. And you have never beaten me before. Because I'm a good woman. That woman, or a bad woman, so that person should be killed. After I helped her, I did something good for her. Chidima, Biko, come now, let's go. Me never know you son say. Call our children now. Call them. You don't want to call them? Let me help you. Chima, Ifenna, Ifunanya, Chizoba. Hey, Ikenna.
Ngala. Ngala. Do you know the gravity of what you did? Do you know you have killed an innocent man and made the wife a widow? Ngala. Do you know what your action is tantamount to?
Come here. There you go. Come now. Abankuru, bankuru, abankuru, bankuru, utume, ugene. Let me just sleep small on my pillow.
Abakeze,
Yes, Your Highness.
I called you here for two reasons. The number one reason is because of Ngala. I believe you all might have known and heard what she did, which is the reason she is here now. I want her to be around until I conclude my arrangements on how and where to take her to. Probably the psychiatrics, where the mad people stay, okay? And as long as she's here, make sure you feed her 3 times every day. Good. The second reason, I think it is good news, okay? I want you to use your people to make sure you sanitize here, keep here very clean in preparation for the returning of the Queen and the Prince tomorrow. They're coming back tomorrow and I want here to look like a king's palace, okay?
Yes, Your Highness.
So we give them a befitting welcome. Is that all right? Very good. You're welcome. That's good. You're welcome.
We should not forget that Ngala was only trying to fight for her fellow woman. But unfortunately, she mistakenly spoiled everything by killing Enowa the hunter.
It is a pity.
What a painful death. Huh?
Well, my elders, I want to say, Uchonya Dianjo, I'm telling you my mind. And for me, that is a fact. What has happened has happened. Nobody in this community is happy about it. But it has happened. We should call it accident, and that is what it is. There is nothing anyone can do to save the situation. Yes, it has happened. So I am thinking that blaming anyone cannot take us to anywhere good. That is my submission.
Onye eze anyị ekpuru nkata n'ihu ma gwa okwu. Anyị agwa okwu. Nna m si na enebe nwa mkpi anya n'ihu. Onye nwe ya ha akpụ ya je ahịa. Meaning the frowning face of a he-goat does not prevent the owner of that he-goat from dragging the he-goat to the market when the need arises. This is a murder case. This is a murder case, Your Majesty. We do respect. We do respect, Your Majesty. But this is a murder case. Neji hula tori on. Ya bo ntutu isi mmade. Ya bo mmade. Ntutu isi ochuko ogburu. Bia. On nguro hu kupia eze mamuto one namu. We do respect. The right thing must be done in a situation like this.
Which is? Justice, my king. Truth, let me tell you, it's like an erect manhood. You can only try, but you can never bend it. A man has just been killed. Let us look into this matter, please.
She killed a man. Ochukeburu. Elders of our land. Ochukeburu, isn't it? Yes. It's a murder case. Yes. Then, Onyebulu Ochua. Who killed the man? Somebody who has no head, who has no thinking faculty, who has no what they call number 6 in the brain, who cannot think aright. That is the person we are talking about. Listen, it is always good to listen to your father. My father always told me when he was alive, that if you judge aright, you go home, to your own home with it. You judge wrongly, you go to your own home with it. How can you sentence somebody who is insane to death or give him any hard condition because he committed anything you call crime? Well, elders of our land, I've heard you all, and you all have spoken well. I appreciate your contributions. But as a matter of fact, as an apple to let's think about this matter. So I am now suggesting that we call it a day for this meeting. Coupled with the fact that I have a lot of other commitments today. I am expecting the queen and the prince back here today. So I urge you to go home. Sleep over this matter. Think about it Think about it. So when we converge again, we shall deliberate it with wisdom. Please, wisdom matters a lot. Thank you very much.
You are speaking well.
Thank you very much.
I've heard you. We should get our way.
Thank you very much. Oh, my son. My friends. You're welcome. You're welcome. How was the trip?
Fine, Father.
Welcome. My queen.
My husband.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Come on. Yes. You're welcome back home.
Thank you.
Take it easy. Hold her. Hold her. Hold her. Elders of our land, we all know the tradition of our land. We all know that the tradition of our land says that whosoever takes another's life must be banished. But I want to let us know one thing. And that thing is that Ngala's case is different. She is a lunatic.
Yes, with due respect, I know he cool. Anyị bụ ntị n'ọbụrụ mma ka eji achọ anyị. We have ears, we heard you. But what is right is right. And what is wrong is wrong. Nna m si na ewere onye mpe kwa ụzọ, onye buru ibu pụta na ya ọtọ. Ewere onye ala mụta imebi iwu anyị, onye isi dị mma bịa na ya ọya ahụ. Like I said earlier, what is right is right. What is wrong is wrong. Even if you do what is right in a wrong way, it is equally wrong. So, this has to do with custom and tradition of this land. So we must follow the rules, the tradition of our land, with no exception.
My elders, we all know that Ngala is guilty, but she must be given some consideration based on the fact that she is not in her right senses.
Huh?
Yes.
My king, my fellow elders, let us face reality. Ngala being mad or not, the truth is that she murdered Enowa. And in that respect, justice must prevail.
Ezioku.
Elders, Everyone has spoken his mind, and you all have spoken well. As Nuchonye Adade Anjo. Nuchonye Adade Anjo. But most times when a matter comes up like this, another person's matter, we will handle it without a second thought. Without a second thought or a recourse that it might come to us one day. Ngala that we are talking about is a married woman of our land. Married by a man like us in our land. And we knew her very well, rather we know her very well, that she had 6 children for her husband. Eventually, things turned around and she lost her husband. And 4 out of the 6 children the same year, within 1 year, 12 months. And we don't have a feeling for that. After 9 months, the remaining 2 sons died in a car crash. Elders of our land, why must we have hearts of stone instead of hearts of a flesh? Can't we be considerate? You can imagine that after all this, the thought of all these problems here and there, the trauma that made her to lose her senses. What more?
Onyeze, with due respect, anyway, we are familiar with this story of yours. We know all the things you are telling us. We are not strangers in this land. But there is something we want to know. What could be the thing, the special interest you have, and then sympathy also in this woman's case? Because it looks as if Kobun Juneke Kenariari, a man over here. Ibokwe. That is what we are saying.
Yeah. All right, elders of the land. Irrespective of our differences, we are still putting heads together to forge ahead, isn't it?
Yes.
Good. And everything we are doing it towards achieving a goal. And let that goal be to the benefit of our community. I don't blame anybody saying this or saying that. Therefore, I want to appeal to you. I have seen that our discussion shall not come to a conclusive end now. I'll urge all of you to go home again, think about it, sleep over it. Appeal for wisdom. I continue to hammer on that so that by the next time we come together, we shall harmonize this issue with understanding and wisdom.
Because
it is okay.
No. Ofoma, no. No. It is better we call a spade a spade. Yes. We don't have to continue to beat about the bush, pretending as if we don't know the right thing. No. The laws and tradition of this land have no limit. Neither do they consider anything, anybody, any condition. No. Listen. She killed a Noah. And she must be banished. The laws
and tradition of this land say that such a person must be banished. Or former, she must be banished in accordance with the traditions and laws of this land. Yes, I don't give a damn whether she's a lunatic. I don't care. Whatever condition she finds herself, I don't care. So I personally don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn.
Igbokwe,
yes,
you are taking this too far. Why are you talking as if you have problem with Ngala? Eh? We are all humans and we should feel for one another. As the king said, let us consider our condition.
Rubbish and nonsense put together. Yes, go and tell the king I said so. And I am not going back on my stand. I am not a dog that spits out and goes back to its saliva. No. Go and tell the king I said so. If the king fails to do what he should do on this matter, then we should show him that we are the people that crowned him. We made him the king. Ofosisi ade maabo. The quantio. Ofonya se lora. Ore liponya lisbonya mamma lachaka. Ora se lo fonye. Oman lipwe o. Oman menwia. Gwakweze. Go and tell the king that we will remove him. We will tell him that we are the people that crowned him if he fails to do what he should do on this matter. Tell him I said so.
What did I hear you say?
You heard me.
Watch your tongue. Watch your tongue. Those words are really
water.
hard.
Water milikansa ilem. Give me water, let me wash my tongue. Then I will give you water to wash your teeth, to wash your mouth, to wash your face, to take a bath. You and the king. I am Ibokwe. Oh, Ibokwe, 7 Ibokwe always almost. Yes, of course. Go and tell the king I said so. No going back for me. I am a man of my words. I don't go back. Go and tell him. Ofama, go and tell your king that if he fails to do what he should do, we will let him know that we are the people that crowned him. Jegwa. Ofama, I maintain my stand. Yes. Yes, Ofama.
Igbokwe, don't play a music you cannot dance to. Okwan nna ha agwa kita, I na-eme titi kaka. Nna ha agwa gi, I na-eme ka onwu onye karim. Okwan nna ha agwa gi, Igbokwe, don't play a music you cannot dance to. Onye oyibo, I na-asụpụ anụ ọhịa.
Son, one needs to be very diplomatic in handling issues like this. Because someone who hates you may decide to use your words against you.
The surprising part is why the elders want Ngala to be banished from this kingdom, not minding her condition.
I am as surprised as you are. But that is life. That's life. But the truth is that it is not possible for anyone to know the heart of another, no matter how close that person is to you.
So what do you intend to do?
My son, I am still begging the gods, asking them to give me the wisdom to handle a situation like this. So I will be able to put off the fire for justice burning right inside the elders of my cabinet. That is my earnest desire. But it shall be well, okay?
Same.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, man.
I can see you are fine, eh? There's no amount of tears that will bring back your husband. I'm just coming back from the palace. I decided to come and see you to know how you are doing. Now I can see you are fine.
Thank you so much, Nani. Thank you for your concern and advice.
It's okay.
I appreciate it.
It's okay. I will be on my way now. from time to time, I'll be coming to check on you. Hmm?
Thank
Don't be
you.
yourself, eh? What do you know?
Thank you.
My king, we are talking about our tradition. And our tradition will be followed without sentiments. If we fail to do that, we're supposed, certainly, it will affect us in subsequent time. Let us not set up a precedence we cannot follow. If you can consider her and fail to consider someone else in the same situation in the near future.
My elders, we have stressed this case enough. The tradition we are talking about here is for us. And we are of the same tradition. I want to urge every one of us to be considerate in our decision. Getting Ghana qualify. Tradition. Okwamadu did a tradition.
You abandon our tradition. I don't even know. Listen, I don't even know whom you are shouting at. Ofuma, are you shouting for yourself, or you're shouting at the king, or the elders in council, or your father, or your grandfather, whom I am sure that they do not even know the origin of the tradition of this land? Whom are you shouting at? Keep calm.
Mind your words.
Mind your words. Hey, don't make noise.
I won't have you insult me.
Actually, I have been expecting you to vomit this rubbish in your mind. Unfortunately, you have succeeded in exhibiting, displaying your ignorance before the elders in council.
Igbokwe, watch your tongue. Mind your words, Igbokwe. I won't have you insult me.
We know you are only exhibiting your ignorance, like I said earlier.
Chalanya go.
Sometimes you behave. You talk as if you're raising from the anus. You are even breathing from the anus. I know. But that is by the way. My king, what I'm saying is that the right thing must be done at the right time and in the right way. That is what I'm saying. Ngala must be banished from this land. From this land.
You have all spoken well. But I want to tell you that everything you have said here is Ucho Nyade Anjo. You have said your mind. But I, King Ozemena of Umedo Kingdom, has come to a verdict. Ngala will not be banished because of her condition. And that is my judgment.
Igwe Igade. Igwe Tawante. Igade. Biano. Ndoku nuka. Biano. Ndoku nuka ndocho. Nenufa. Evil people. Look at them with pieces of rags. Ndocho. Igwe Igade. Igwe Igade geji. Eji ade agwaru, mana Igade geji.
Sir, your food is ready.
Okay.
Sir, there is a file from Buffalo Company.
Okay, great. Do we have any mail from Hammer Corp Group?
Not yet, sir.
Okay, just let me know as soon as any mail comes from that company, yeah?
All right, sir.
All right. Let's keep in the mail though, indeed, as soon as possible. That means we'll have to give up everything. Okay?
I'm sorry. You can't go.
Why?
The Prince of Amago Kingdom is eating inside, and the instruction is that no one goes in until it's done.
Can you imagine? Wait. Because one stupid prince is eating inside, therefore every other person should go hungry?
Can you imagine the... Come on, man.
Excuse me. I'm just a worker here, okay? I will advise you to take the last instruction.
Are you out of your mind?
Hey, Dimba. Just respect.
No, are you out of your mind? I'm asking you. My friend, leave my word or same the princes eat. So as...
Bro. Calm down, okay? Come on. Let's just leave this place, okay? Let's leave here. Please.
No, what kind of nonsense is this?
It's very annoying, okay? It's very, very annoying. I understand. But let's go.
Can you, at this modern age, I can't go in to eat.
I understand. Just calm down, okay? Just calm down. Let's go, please. Come on, let's just go to some other place, okay?
But I need their jollof rice and aso. Where else can I buy?
I don't know. Let's just go try some other place, okay? Just leave this place.
If this has a great Kali, you'll feel fighter. We fight great Kali.
Should be very careful. This is madness. Madness.
I'm still in shock, my brother, I won't lie. What happened at the eatery today still surprises me. My father told me a story. When they were younger, that, whenever the princess comes to the stream to maybe fetch water or do whatever she's there for, that everyone there will leave for her to finish what she's there for. So today I'm shocked that that kind of lifestyle is still in existence. Seriously.
Yeah, it's actually not their fault. But culture.
I know culture, but this is
culture that places them on a very high level of respect and regard above all the people in the society. Yeah, those are the people you have to blame. Anyway, that is by the way. What about the proposal for the business?
Well, I'm still seriously working on it. It's not easy, but I'm just doing it. You see, I'm just trying as much as I can to avoid failure, because that would be bad. I don't want disappointment, so I'm putting in much work.
In that case, I think maybe I should. I'm thinking about inviting the manager to strike a deal on how to handle the issue. What do you think?
Fantastic, my brother. I'm actually thinking of slashing it, giving him a 25% and we 75%. I believe that will help him facilitate the contract,
Did you say 25%?
Yeah, 25%.
Did you say 25%?
Oh yes, 25% for him and 75% for the company.
Okay. If that is what you want, it's okay by me.
Well, not just what I want is, I believe that will help the company, get on track as quickly as possible.
Okay.
You dine with your enemies and friends as well. But it is only by carefulness that you can be able to identify your enemies. Though it is natural to have enemies.
Mother, why do you sound like this? Is there any problem? Because you have never talked to me like this.
Son, blindness has taken some of my responsibilities. But it has not taken over my sense and motherly love. Or my advice to you. You are a great son and a great gift to this household. Though the enemies made it possible, there shall be no male child in this household. But the gods in their infinite mercy gave you to me. So my son, please be careful.
Mother,
Yes, my son.
please stop talking like this. The gods knows why. I believe you can see someday. But who are the enemies? Who are they?
Son, be a good son. Though the mouth can wag or the tongue can wag, but all I want to tell you, please, just be a good son. Always remember where you came from. Okay?
Okay, Mother.
You know I love you so much.
Hey, Prince. How are you, my son?
I'm fine. Good day,
Mama. Kekime. How are you?
I'm fine, Nne.
Oh.
Nne, let me help you with your load.
Hey, Mama. Hey, don't worry, okay? You can't carry it, don't worry. Hmm?
But it doesn't mean. Let me help you.
Don't worry. Hmm? Good child. God bless you, eh? Thank you, my son. You're such a good boy. Where are you going to?
I'm going to see a friend of mine.
Really? Okay. Okay, go where? Okay. Greet Queen for me, yeah?
Okay.
All right. Yeah, bye-bye. Hey. Hey. Oh.
So what have you been up to lately?
Well, I've been very, very busy. Running up and down on my business.
Imagine.
Really, really, really stressful. Yeah, I have spoken with the manager.
Okay.
Yeah, and we arrived at a conclusion. But I think we still need to call him and speak more further on the issue.
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, sure. Let's call him then and invite him over. Right?
Okay, I should call him.
Okay, very good.
Mr. Ako, I have discussed with your friend here, Idika, on your work experience and your company capability. And I promise to take your proposal to the director, depending on the, our agreement here.
Okay, that's splendid. That's splendid. Just do your part and leave the rest for me.
All right. So, we have a deal, right? Good. Good. Oh, like my friend said, do your part and do it very well. Okay?
It's all right.
Your percentage is well assured.
It's okay. Just have to count on me.
Okay.
All right. Looks like we're good now. Nothing really, darling. I'm just here. I hope you're getting used to the environment. Yeah, sure, gradually. Everyone is fine. Everyone is fine. Ada is fine. Uncle Iboko is fine. Miss you too. Okay. All right. Take care of yourself, okay? All right, darling. Bye.
Sir, your clothes are in your room.
Oh, thank you. My wife just asked of you now.
Yeah. I hope she's doing well over there.
Oh yeah, she's fine. Thank you.
Sir, please, I want to remind you that my uncle's burial will be coming up in the next 2 days.
Oh, that's true. That's true. That's true. That means you'll be traveling tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay then, just remind me in the morning before you leave, okay?
Yes, sir.
So I can bust you up.
Thank you, sir.
All right, darling.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Ada? Ada? Ada?
Sir.
Use it for your transport, all right? If there's any development, call me.
Thank you,
Right?
sir. Thank you, sir.
Like if you need more money. All right. And don't forget to switch off the electrical appliances, right?
Okay, sir.
And lock the doors. All right. Bye.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Fellow elders, I've been saying this thing. I've been telling you people that our king is a weakling. He is not active at all. He is the type that behaves like a kid. I'm sorry to say that. But that is the truth. Yes.
Well, I don't blame anybody. He's our king. And whatever decision he makes is binding on this community.
Kabaka. Why do you always talk like a weakling?
Eh?
You talk like a weakling at times. What's wrong with you?
Ikebundu, mind your words. I said mind your words. Let's forget about this issue and go into other matters.
It's okay. It's better, like you said, let's forget about that and talk of other important things too. My brothers, but the thing is, well, I don't know, but I just have to tell you people. It is high time we had a new king. A king, a strong king, an active king. A king that will always be there for people and not always for himself. Yes.
Auntie Egodi, I brought these 2 bars of yam for you. It is nothing but manage it.
My prince,
I have told you to stop worrying yourself over me.
Yes, you said so. But life will be pleasant when the people that have give the people that don't have.
Thank you so much, my prince. I hope the king and the queen are doing fine.
Yes, they're fine. Thank you once more for forgiving Ngala.
No problem, my prince. And thank you for your advice and your company. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Why is it that you don't want to come and see me? Hmm? Come and see me now. I said, this is not fair. When you come with the children. Eh? Come with Chidinma. Come with Tochukwu. Hell, come with Ikenna. Tell it's fair to buy me biscuits. Hmm? You're coming, eh? It's good. Eh, now I'm happy. Eh? Don't forget to. So you're going to come, finally. You come with the children. Oh? Come with Chidinma. Ah, don't come and see me now.
I wish you're with your senses.
Say you will come.
You wouldn't have done that. Anyone did wrong by beating his wife. But you also did wrong by taking laws into your hands. Though Auntie Ego has forgiven you. But the people are still taking advantage of your actions.
They're going to hear you. What the cabozo?
I wish you could understand what I'm saying.
They're going to... Where will you... Ah! Fashion. Fashion.
My queen.
Sir?
We have wine here. I want you to have a taste of it.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So let's cheer. Cheers. Ah, my prince.
Father.
You're welcome.
Hey, Father.
Prince,
Greet your mother.
how are you?
Fine, Mother.
Where have you been?
I went to see Auntie Ego.
Oh, wonderful. That's good of you. So how is she?
She's fine. She sent her regards.
Very good. You're welcome. You're welcome. Come and have a sip of the wine. You will like it.
My husband.
Yes.
I would like to pay Ego a visit.
No. No, my queen. Don't think about that now. Not in this condition, please.
What is wrong with that? She's a woman like me and she's my subject. She likes me so much. I want to visit her.
Yes, Your Highness. You sent for me.
Marquez,
Yes, Your Highness.
I want you to take the queen to Ego's house tomorrow morning. Have you heard me?
Yes, Your Highness.
And please be very, very careful. And when you get there, be patient enough to wait for her to stay as long as she wants until she returns here.
Okay, Your Highness. I will do just that.
Good.
My queen. My queen, where are you coming from?
I visited a god.
My queen, we all know your condition. You shouldn't have bothered going there yourself.
But what I did is right.
You are right, my queen. Please, do give my message to the king.
No problem. Greet your family for me.
Okay, my queen, they will hear you.
Papa, where is Ngala, who is supposed to be at the back of the house?
Ngala, my king, she was at the back of the house before I left the palace this morning.
So, when and how did she escape from the palace?
My husband. What about the prince? Have you asked him?
The prince?
Yes.
I've not seen the prince for hours now.
This is serious. She's a dangerous and wild woman that needs to be chained under a close watch. Fear what she can even do now.
Please, my king, can I go look for her?
And they're asking, can you? Do!
Yes, my king.
Go! Ngala is nowhere to be found right now here. I hope you don't have a hand in her escape.
No, Father, I can't. Knowing fully how dangerous she has become, how was she able to leave this place?
Son, we have to look for her. We have to look for her to avoid endangering the lives of our people. We have to.
Father,
Son.
she must be around. I'm going to look for her. I'll be right back.
My son,
Mother.
please be careful.
Okay,
Be
Mom.
careful. Be careful. Why are you running away? Why are you running away? They said I killed your husband.
apologize if I thought I killed anybody, because me, I know I did not kill anybody. But if I later find out that people are accusing me wrongly, I will come and kill you, the original one. Muzia. Look at the way she saw me and started running away. Bia? No problem. Me, I know I'm innocent. I didn't do anything wrong.
King. Ngala is nowhere to be found.
Ngala is nowhere to be found?
Yes, my king.
Abba, make sure you search for her. Search all nooks and crannies of this village. Make sure you bring her back to this palace. Have you heard me clearly?
Yes, my king.
To avoid her causing more havoc, more damages to the people of this land. Have you heard me clearly?
Yes,
now go.
Yes, my king.
What is wrong with you? Who is after you?
Ngala just came to my house, Namazi.
Ngala, what? Let's go.
What's going on?
My prince. Ngala is pursuing everybody in the village.
Where is she now?
She just came to my house now. Who knows where she is?
Akbar, let's go look for her.
Okay, my prince.
Don't go, my prince. That woman is a carnivorous animal. She will hurt you.
Don't worry. Come,
my prince, come back, oh.
Ikaku, Eba. Ikaku.
Oh.
It's obvious she's not here. So where could she be now?
My prince, I would suggest we go look for her down the road.
Okay, let's go.
Why did you leave the palace?
Look at these mad people. They will not let me be. Leave me alone now, Guinea.
Look at this mad woman calling someone mad.
Me mad? Look at your hair. Look at your hair. Mad people's hair. You are mad. Afternoon you're wearing. Look at the way you're dressed. Is that how people dress?
Will you get the phone then? Let's go back to the palace.
It's okay. Calm down.
Okay, my prince.
Ngala, my friend. Why are you treating everybody like this? Have you done anything back to you?
Is that why you're crying?
Do listen to me. Please, let's go back to the palace.
You're crying. I will follow you. It's because of you. It's because of you. I'm not going to about boot in Efifie. When you're alive, rock or di. I'll follow you. Rock or you boot in Efifie. If you see, don't touch me. I can't touch. I'm 1 year. You know, kita. Idiot.
Fofoma, it was not intentional. Nobody in this palace knew how and when she untied herself and escaped. And immediately it came to our knowledge, everybody here went in search of her.
Well, my king, I thought you deliberately set her free, knowing how dangerous she has become.
How would I do a thing like that? Such a disastrous step. I wouldn't. Well, thanks to the gods, the prince and my chief guard, Abba, have brought her back.
Good. It's all right then. But I will advise Abba should keep an eye on her to ensure she doesn't run off again.
He spoke wisdom. He spoke wisdom. Then help me and spread the news. Tell our people to stop running up and down. Let them stop panicking. And what if an amen? We shall be well.
Mazibokwe, I don't know why the king should do something like that. Does he know how dangerous it is?
I am not surprised if the king could do a thing like that, violating the custom of the land, simply because of that lunatic. I'm not surprised. As if that is not enough for him. He went ahead to release her so that she could continue to kill our people. Can you imagine that?
If
Personally, I am coming. Listen,
No,
come
listening.
back.
Okay.
Personally, I am beginning to feel uncomfortable. Very, very uncomfortable. I'm no longer comfortable. Oh, yes. And I am suspecting something, trying to read in between the lines. It's like I'm spotting something happening between that lunatic and the king.
Mazibokwe, if Ngala, the mad woman, was intentionally released, then the king has not done well.
What do you mean? No, what do you mean? If it was intentional, what do you mean? Oh, does it mean I've been beaten about the bush?
Maybe.
Kabaka, sometimes your behavior, your words, the way you talk, makes me suspect your reasoning. It makes me think your reasoning is the same thing with that of a goat.
What?
I have not called you a goat. But I'm saying you reason like a goat, exactly the same thing
the
way a goat reason.
Mind your language.
Listen.
What is going on?
Listen. Whatever that is happening between that lunatic and the king will very, very soon be known.
Igbokwe. Igbokwe! Did I hear you say you are suspecting the king and the woman? And who is the woman?
And who is that person asking that foolish question? Who is that voice I'm hearing asking that foolish question? Ofoma, if you are here for gossip, leave. If you are here for gossip, leave.
Igbokwe. Awana ha agwa geketa, ina eme kiti. Don't worry. Okwonuga, oge tinye gi na nga. You will go to prison for this your mouth.
Ofoma. Nwata fo go egbole bo so ogpo nyiru. Po na akuku m. Po nyiru m Ofoma.
Omuwa ki na aturu inu.
Akira aburo ngwede ntambu. Obunu de ne bo anu ndi bu aka eligu ya na mbe ma.
Igbokwe, omuwa ki na aturu inu.
Leave.
Iba na nga, I ga atu inu a. Okwade? Igbokwe.
My king.
I want you to go and summon all the elders of my council. Tell them I want to see them right now in the palace.
Okay, my king.
Now go. I know that my decision not to banish Ngala does not go too well with some of my cabinet members. And to worsen it all, salt is added to the injury by Ngala escaping from the palace prisons. I don't know what some of them will take it for.
Yes, my husband is here.
Yes. I'm here, my queen. I'm here.
Father,
My son.
you're welcome.
My son, how are you?
Fine, Dad.
Thank you. Some members of my cabinet are evil. They are evil. It's only a form that craves for justice with love. When I look at them, I see threats and disloyalty. But royalty flows in my veins.
Father,
Yes, son.
what is it again? What is it?
Son, you are too young to hear the voice of the gods. At any rate, your passion as a prince and the next king of Umedo kingdom, you must understand all this.
My dear husband, take it easy. Please, it's not your time. The hour has not come yet. Please.
It's okay.
Take it easy.
It's okay. It's okay, my queen. I have heard you. It's well, okay? Son, stop crying. All is well, all right?
Talk to us. What is happening? I wonder. Why is he keeping quiet? What is the problem?
Okay, we lost the contract. What? The director interfered. And he decided to give it to Odumodu.
Who the hell is Odumodu?
You mean Odumodu of Odudo Kingdom?
Yes. That's what we do.
A king?
What does a king need that kind of contract for? When he's meant to be in his kingdom, ruling his people. Guys, I'm pissed. I believe you.
You know, I don't understand it. What could actually be his reasons?
I need to go to the village. This is very, very annoying.
Alex. Her escape was not intentional. Nobody in this palace knew how she untied herself
and escaped. That is the truth. My king, nobody will like to die like Inlove. Not even myself. Ensure she does not escape from the palace to harm our people.
Your Majesty, I'm a Guanabao. We are all adults. Are you trying to convince us to believe you that the mad woman that was tied in the palace untied herself by herself, alone, and escaped? Asiocha, that is a lie. Asiocha, Ibokwe, I know that is a lie. And I am saying it here before the elders in council that is a lie. Nekuta Asiocha.
Ajambele.
Hey, Mbagaba.
Ajambele.
My king, you intentionally released that woman. You intentionally set her free. That is it.
Ibokwe,
Madam,
if you don't have anything reasonable to say, why can't you be silenced for once and clap your hands to whatever you are hearing here? Must you talk? Must you say a word?
You cannot bend the truth. What's the matter with you? Give him a man.
But the thing is that nobody talked because it's not even every speech I respond to.
Of course.
I'm too big for that.
Oh,
It's not every speech I listen to. Yes, Your Majesty, let me tell you this directly, without mincing words. You, our king, you have something to do with that mad woman. It is very, very obvious. It has become glaring. You have something. There is something going on between you and Ngala.
I put it to you. I put it to you that you...
Igwe, what is it? Igwe! Guards! Igwe, what is it? Where do you want me to go? Where do you want me to start from?
Hey! Jee wele ye jee. How? Dikana. The sun has risen at the middle of the day. Jee wele ye jee. Igbo Zamana of Umuedo Kingdom has been taken away. Hey! Okosi Sadana.
I will take my leave now.
Igwe Zamana. Hey. Okosi Sadana Dikana.
Abagaz. This one over here this time. Is everything all right?
Iche, everything is not right.
What happened?
Iche, the king has joined his ancestors.
Hi! Ome!
And you're needed at the palace. Now.
Hi! The king has joined his ancestors?
Yes, Iche.
Hi! Ufanyu Umwedo Jafuzana. The eye of Umwedo is gone. How? When? When?
Iche, it happened last night. And I'll take my leave now.
Last night? Hi! Hi! Oh.
Where are you going this early morning?
Have you not heard?
Heard what?
The tree of Umuedo Kingdom has fallen. We are heading to the palace. Let's go. Let's go.
Iche, please wait for me. I'm coming. Iche! Please wait for me.
chukwu ifemo obumuramu nemo omumo.
How are you doing? How are you doing? Are you aware that my father and your friend is dead?
Is it every day that the Igwe dies? Igwe died yesterday. He died the other day. Today again, he's dead. When will it be your turn to die? When are you going to die? What are you waiting for? Death is turn by turn. Since he died, it's your turn to die. When are you going to die? Go and die, yo.
Please eat your food.
So that I will die too. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Go away. Go away. Igwe is dead. You too, die. Go and die. It's your turn to die. Every day the Igwe will be dying. Died yesterday. Died last year. Died 2 years ago. Today again he's dead. Go and die. So that I will eat and die. No, now. Jump and buffalo. Not kill me. You cannot kill me. See it. Smelling poison. See it.
Ọ bụ onye gachi eze si na chi nwanne m n'elu ụwa onye chi mere eze ya chịba ndị anya ụfụ n'iwe ha na Chukwu ga-ekpe ọ bụ onye gachi ole onye gachi eze si na chi nwanne m n'elu ụwa onye chi mere eze ya chịba ndị anya ụfụ n'iwe ha na Chukwu ga-ekpe ọ bụ onye gachi ọ bụ onye gachi eze si na chi nwanne m n'elu ụwa onye chi mere eze ya chịba ndị anya ụfụ n'iwe ha na Chukwu ga-ekpe ife onye ga-abụ n'elu ụwa nke afọ ka ọ ga-abụ ife chidelu n'elu ụwa odesigo eze si na chi adịghị eze azọ. It's a gift from God. Ọ bụrụ ife eji ego onye chi mere eze eze ka ọ ga-abụ. Ọ bụ onye ga-achị, ọ bụ onye ga-achị. Eze si na chi nwanne m n'elu ụwa onye chi mere eze ya chịba. Ndị anya ụfụ n'iwe ha na Chukwu ga-ekpe. Ọ bụ onye ga-achị, ole onye ga-achị. Eze si na chi nwanne m n'elu ụwa onye chi mere eze ya chịba. Ndị anya ụfụ n'iwe ha na Chukwu ga-ekpe. Ọ bụ onye ga-achị, ọ bụ onye ga-achị. Eze si na chi nwanne m n'elu ụwa, onye chi mere eze ya chịba. Ndị anya ụfụ n'iwe ha na Chukwu ga-ekpe. Ọ bụ onye ga-achị, ọ bụ onye ga-achị. Eze si na chi nwanne m n'elu ụwa, onye chi mere eze ya chịba. Ndị anya ụfụ n'iwe ha na Chukwu ga-ekpe. Ọ bụ onye ga-achị, ọ bụ onye ga-achị. Eze si na chi nwanne m n'elu ụwa, onye chi mere eze ya chịba. Ndị anya ụfụ n'iwe ha na Chukwu ga-ekpe. Ọ bụ onye ga-achị,